Y'all, today I'm at my auntie's house and I almost tripped over that Adidas. And I don't know what I'm finna do. We might go to sleep in a few hours. Though, but we in here recording and stuff. I'm finna start editing it all though. But dog, y'all see my let's see I'm recording. And my weak little cousin. My weak little cousin right there trying to talk on my other weak little cousin over there trying to fight. My little big head little cousin right there trying to mess up with him now. And the big head little girl right there trying to interrupt. And that's who staying sex with me. And they got mama and daddy in the room. And this all her room. And she got a blue wall, a pink wall, a blue wall that says Alexi on it. A dog calendar, and she got $7 up there. Another pink wall, and a blue wall. And look at her dresser. Look at all this mess on the floor. Look at this chair, dog. Look at her bed. Look at her.
Don't mess it up.
Look at her smart TV. You can play YouTube on it and all, dog.
Look.
This house look like it's haunted. Me and my cousins, we be fighting pillows and stuff. I know that's weird for y'all though. But my little cousin trying to be on. Let's see. I need that light.
You gonna get the electricity that jump in on online.
My little cousin turning back on the light with my other little cousin turning it off. And that's probably all I'm gonna do today, dog. Well, do it tonight, dog. I'm probably mess with my little cousin tonight, the little weak one right there.
Oh.
And that's what I'm finna do right now, just right now. Thank you for reminding me. Oh, yeah, watch this.
Now turn off the light. Oh, TJ, look.
I know.